Sunshine Promotion presents the return of Busy Signal and Capleton to the National Stadium on Saturday, February 11, 2012. Fulfilling a promise made by Sunshine Promotion. It's Busy Signal.
Can you come over? Right now loneliness taking over.
And Capleton.
More than coffee till when and the more we live longer. More than coffee we when and the more we get stronger.
And this one will be spectacular. So brace yourself for the clash of Grenada's champion sound in a joint-for-joint DJ showdown. Hey DJ, from you come a sound clash and can't play no play to a no selector, you see it?
A lot of sound boy running and hiding tonight.
Every night is a sound clash.
And your big selectors: Black Eye, Wombatic Sound, Capleton, Far East Rulers, Killer Sound, Brimstone Sound, Hot Wax, and Elegant Sound. The people will decide who will reign supreme. The winner walks away with cash prize and the trophy. No obscenity, clean clash, pay lash. Gates open at 7, showtime 8:30 p.m. Admission $20. People with tickets or ticket stubs from a December to remember. Presented at the gate and you enter absolutely free. Sponsored Heineken, Netherlands Insurance, Courts, Kia Motor, Grenada Distillers Limited, Shills Promotion, Monster, Lime, Crenshaw Insurance, Best Court Construction, St. Augustine's Medical Services, and Boss FM.